こから？すごい数だな。
写真撮っていいかな？
どうぞどうぞ。JR なのに。
Just keep it up there for me. Almost got it. All right, we'll turn in. Whoa! Yikes! Buddy!
We're here.
Got the main one secured. Zip ties are good.
Look at this. It's shrimp, not tuna. Counterfeit label all the way.
Evidence bags ready.
All right, Mr. Whiskers, you're under arrest for trafficking counterfeit seafood. You have the right to remain.
Eh? 谁呀？门怎么开着？
West Africa. You need to leave right now.
You can't shout like that on the plane.
Cuffs are on. You sit pretty for me?
He's already doing it. Look at him.
Good boy. Those stakes aren't yours, though. Evidence bag coming up.
Dispatch to Unit 12. Status check. Unit 12, code 4.
Suspect in cuffs.
I asked for double meat, not double attitude. Don't you dare meow at me. I'm a paying customer.
Whoa, subby.
No, I'm not leaving until I get a refund for that soggy mess.
Mano do céu, olha isso. Um rato, um gato e o gato tá montado num cachorro. Eles estão correndo igual doido na pista, velho. Caraca, que cena. Vai pegar, vai pegar. Meu Deus!
Drop it! Don't you dare!
Drop the 6-4 plaza. Mark, now!
Easy, he's just a cat.
No way, look at that.
It's a cat on a bike. And the police
He's not even bothered, man.
pedaling like a pro.
Oh my god.
Look, he's looking back. He doesn't care.
This is crazy.
What the hell is this service? Where are the employees? I want my refund now! Are you kidding me? Did you just throw sauce at me?
Watch his left side. Got him? Lift.
Yep, I got it. Easy now.
Let me go.
Head down, sir. Watch the steps.
Careful of the tail. Okay, slide him in.
Not your case.
In you go. Door coming in.
In Auckland today, shoppers got their first taste of KFC's new fried chickenator vending machine. After tapping a card and hitting cook, a crane selects a live hen from the
Guten Tag. Verkehrskontrolle. Haben Sie Führer die Papiere bitte? Ja, genau. Sie tragen doch eine Sonnenbrille beim Fahren. Herr Katze! Aua! Hey! Hey!
Mais qu'est-ce que tu fais, toi? Allez, viens, à la maison.
Эй, куда прыгай? Стой! Верни полот! Черт косак! Охрана! Он выносит рыбу! Да стой же ты!
Lan manyak mısınız siz? İşsiz misiniz? Kaçmayın lan!
You're looking live at a pursuit that's been going on for almost 20 minutes now. That is a man, yes, that is a man on what appears to be a miniature horse.
And take a look at the size difference, Kara. The animal's clearly struggling.
来，拉下来，对，很好，肩膀别耸，沉一点，我帮你按着。对，就这样，收紧背阔肌，再来，很好，稳住，顶起来，慢慢还原，还剩2下，坚持，漂亮。
Yo, do a flip! No way!
Olha, está bonito demais.
Tá cheirando bem, hein?
Vai logo, pai.
Calma,
Vamos
gente,
comer esse
calma.
porquinho agora!
Eita! O que foi isso? Ele mexeu! Meu Deus, o porco...จับมันอย่าให้หนีออกไปเฮ้ยวันนี้มันยกทีวีไปอีกแล้วนะหยุดเลยส้มหยุดวิ่งแล้ว
Drives it into the box, still going, shoots!
Oh my god! Dude, are you serious?
Evening. You know why I pulled you over? Cigarette in one paw, beer in the same. That's not gonna fly. Go ahead and set it down for me, all right? Let's talk.
Olha o cachorro ali, mano.
Subir na moto, viado.
Ô, louco.
Caraca, o bicho tá pilotando.
Vai pegar ele, pô.
Não, ele tá andando.
Bateu.
Tá de boa, tá de boa.
Good. Just put in park for me. You know why I pulled you over? Yeah, well, you're doing 65 and a 45, and you're a cat. You can't be driving. All right, hang tight. Don't take off. I'm gonna need your owner's info.
Aquí Alfa 3, seguimos al jabalí en patinete eléctrico por la 42, velocidad 70. No es broma.
Recibido Alfa 3, ¿ha dicho jabalí?
Afirma, con casco verde y bolso, va a tomar las...
No te muevas, Firulais, que si sueltas el cofre me lo dejo caer en la cabeza. Eso, aguanta tantito más, mi ayudante estrella.
Olha o cheiro, hein? Tá ficando bom demais.
Já tá quase no ponto.
Fica ligado, o cachorro vai pegar a carne aí! Pegou!
Hey, little guy, you like bikes too?
Whoa, hey, what are you...
Dude, it's riding it.
Thank you.